I'm so happy that you could join me here today and to say some words about the training, in particular, the sort of teaching aspects of the training that you've done with me. I was wondering if you could just give a little bit of a background of yourself so people know where you come from.
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm a physiotherapist. I have been working as a physio for 6 years now. I have a background in basically occupational health, but I also do musculoskeletal private practice clinic as well. Currently, I'm working in 3 different areas. So in vocational return to work rehab, community-based older persons and rest home rehab, and then also working now for a physio and Pilates clinic.
Fantastic. A beautiful range of skills that you have there.
Yeah.
What were you like before you started working with me? How was your confidence with teaching?
Um, I feel like before I started working with you, my confidence with teaching, basically, I was very much a physio driven. There's one way of doing it here. Why aren't you getting the movement? Finding it difficult to communicate other ways of getting clients to move their body and work the areas and muscles that I want to target. Yeah, I found that quite a challenge. It would always just not give up, but go, okay, this is not working. Let's go down a different route.
Right.
Yeah.
And was there anything that made you hesitate about working with me before you sort of came on board and committed? Was there anything that you kind of thought, oh, I'm not so sure about this?
Uh, no, actually. Well, because I found your courses through PNZ. So our Physiotherapy New Zealand board advertises courses that they recommend physios to take. Initially, when I was looking at courses, for most physios, there are a lot of courses that we need to get done when we first start working. So for me, it was kind of putting the time aside to get those ones done first before I looked at doing your courses.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
So,
no other hesitations.
okay.
Yeah, more time.
So what are the results of doing the course with me? How has that helped you in your practice?
um, well, it's basically changed the way I attack teaching. Um, from what I learned with you, the big takeaway that I got from it is giving someone a visual way of looking at things. So something in their head that they can see and feel and do, rather than trying to say, look, I want you to work your hamstring, bend your knee, feel it here.
Yeah.
More of, yeah, a way of them feeling it through a visual imagery process, which has made a huge difference. And it's so much easier to get them to move in the way that I want them to move and activate the areas that I want them to activate. So that was a really, really big thing for me. Also, going through my lessons with you, looking at a way of attacking how I'm teaching things. So breaking it down where I'm not just talking at them while they're doing the movement, but giving them a chance to actually understand it, feel the movement, and giving them several tries to do the movement before I step in.
Oh, that's really amazing, Tara. So
Yeah.
some huge changes there for you and a sense of success, right? For you and your
Yeah,
oh,
absolutely. It's so much quicker for my clients to get into the movement patterns that I want them to be in and be able to understand the benefits of doing them. So it's been fantastic.
excellent. Oh,
Yeah.
thank you so much. I really appreciate you taking the time to talk to us about your journey.
Yeah.
And we wish you all the best.
Oh, thank you.